Ladies and gentlemen, the title of our project is Robot Eureka. The materials that we use are discard boxes, manila card, color paper, toilet paper rolls, toy glove, sellotape, glue, and double tape. The apparatus are ruler, scissors, pencil, protector. These are some of the material when designing and building robots. This is our robot Eureka. It consists a cone, a sphere, a cube, two cuboid, two prism, two cylinder, two pyramid. This is the shape of a cone. To find out the total surface area is pi r squared plus pi rs. To find out the volume is 1 over 3 times pi times r squared times height. This is the shape of a sphere. To find out total surface area is 4 pi r squared. To find out volume is 4 over 3 times pi times r cubed. This is the shape of a cube. To find out total surface area is 6 times area of square. To find out volume of cube is length times width times height. This is the shape of a cuboid. To find out the total surface area, I use 4 times area of rectangle plus 2 times area of square. For the volume of a cuboid, I use length times width times height. This is the shape of a prism. To determine total surface area, I use 2 times area of triangle plus 3 times area of rectangle. For the volume of a prism, I use area of cross-section times length. This is the shape of a cylinder. To find out the total surface area, I use area of two circles plus area of rectangle. For the volume of a cylinder, I use pi r squared times height. This is the shape of a pyramid. To determine the total surface area, I use area of base plus 4 times area of triangle. For the volume of a pyramid, I use 1 over 3 times area of base times height. To determine the total surface area of the robot, I add up the surface area of all the objects equal to 2797.17 cm squared. To determine the volume of the robot, I add up the volume of all the objects equal to 5013.20 cm cubed.